It was 70 degrees out yesterday. I was wearing shorts and flip-flops, and now it's snowing. Climate change fucking sucks. Ah, this is a very satisfying puff. I've accumulated a certain number of clamps and other large tools that don't store well, so I'm going to make a quick vertical hang board and bolt it to the end of one of my steel shelves. Let's get to it. I cut some scrap plywood to size, then started laying out tools to figure out how they could all hang on the board. Once I liked the arrangement, I marked in Sharpie where I was going to install hang blocks. I did the same process again for all the clamps. I used pre-primed 1x2 pine for my clamp holders and cut a slight upward angle into one end so the clamps would tend to settle back into the plywood when they were hanging. Then I glued and screwed the 1x2s into the plywood according to the Sharpie marks from before. I screwed through the back of the plywood to mount it, cut off the protruding screw ends, and then covered them over with tape.